The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
Hi, everybody. You see, today, me I talk the truth. You see that thing when you mask, the government has said if you wear it. But, you see, after me start wear this thing, I saw me proof you know say my mouth stink. People me I tell them the God Almighty truth. For the whole day, my lungs nearly lock off. People talking God Almighty truth, who know you have on the mask, the whole entire day, how the mouth smell. I said today, when me have on the whole day, me do work as so me say. So when me I talk to people, me I say, no man, where that scent there come from? So me I feel say, no. So, on my lunch break, I go and me talk and I order what I want and I take off it's something this scent gone. So me I whisper to one of my coworkers and say, yo, you smell something? He might say, no, you don't know if he might hiccup in my arm's house. So me I say, no man, so I go back and put on the scent and come back. And me I say, yo, as days of God, I live with them, my baby mother, and none of them look at me and tell me, say, come on, Max, me smell your mouth until this thing COVID come in. So if COVID never teach me nothing, it will teach me, say, your mouth have an odor.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall there. Big up and respect to each and everyone. You see it? Oh, you see the person you see in the video that I just presented to you? This person that talk about mask over mouth and odor of mouth and them thing there. Viewers and subscribers are the most honest person me ever see. That if I'm not joking, I run still, you know. Because I look on the video and I say, no man, this man must be joking because, you know, in my time, yes, I mean, in my lifetime, I never hear nobody really and truly get up and say how them mouth really smells certain ways just like that. Unless they go a dentist go get a checkup or so forth. You see me? But not in this way, I never hear nobody say something like this about them mouth. You see me? I said to you. But you see, if I not joke this person around, and if he really and truly mean what I say, he's the most honest person I've heard for some while now. You get me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, because I respect to that person, you see me? Yeah, I respect him for talk the truth, and that is if it is really the truth. You see me? I said to you. Alright. So I'm gonna move on to our next video right about now. You see me? Yeah, and right now, you know, me have a video I'm gonna show you of the female musician, or you could say, you know, the female artist or a person of the musical arts who goes by the name of Tanya Stephens. And I saw a video of her on social media where she's talking about a video that had been put out on social media that shows of her saying some things about, you know, staying at home and, you know, other things as well. So may I say to you, now basically what Tanya Stephens is talking about is that the video that she did, you know, someone, you know, cut the video at a certain point and then make it seems as if she's disrespecting a specific person that is within the country of Jamaica, who is said to be the Prime Minister of Jamaica, and that person is Mr. Andrew Holness. Is what I said to you? And she went on to talk about defamation and other things as well. Viewers and subscribers, you know, on a real though, in my point of view, some of the things that she had said, you see me, I really and truly agree with some of the things that she had said. You see me? Some of the times you have some persons on social media directly manipulate other persons' videos to make those persons look a certain way, you see me, and to try and create a whole new topic. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, here I'm going to present the video to you that is going to show off the person who goes by the name of Tanya Stephens, so that you can have a look at it. And you can let me know what you think about the first two pieces of videos that I put together and presented to you that shows of the person talking about his mouth, and this video that I'm about to present to you that shows of Tanya Stephens talking about the manipulation of the video that was put out on social media about her and with her in it. Yes, I may I said to you, and other things as well. All right. Now, here's the video that shows of Tanya Stephens. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Good morning. Today, I want to invite us to check out the acts in our law which pertain to defamation of character, the Defamation Act. And I want you to read it with this scenario in mind. I say, how can you simply tell me to go on my yard and turn on my yard? If you tell me to turn on my yard, and I have no yard, I have no kitchen, I have no fridge, I have no cupboard, I have no food in my yard, I am going to tell you to suck your mother. And you cut the footage immediately at suck your mother, eliminating what preceded it, which gave it context. And then you proceed to distribute that with a new heading. You've changed the content, you've changed the context, and now you give it a new heading that says, I am telling a specific person, and you name the person, to suck their mother. You've changed the content, you've changed the context, and you've actually labeled it something entirely different. I want those people who call themselves bloggers to check that out, because I'm not in a playing mode. You're not affecting me personally, but you're affecting our landscape, and you're setting precedents. You are creating an environment within which those coming up after you will look at you as an example of what to be. This is not acceptable. I am still being bombarded by labels of cokehead, crackhead, and all kinds of things as a direct result of the original bloggers' action. Now I know that you guys are trying to boss by bossing the place. But what you do, although maybe intended for entertainment purpose, although maybe done in humor, is a real action you've done. And I want you to look at that. Now, when I put out this video, a lot of people are going to say a lot of shit, but you who did this action can't afford to be distracted by them. What you have done is punishable by law. So I want you to go look at that, because the evidence is clear and time has not run out for me to come after you. So I urge you to go back and look at what you've done. Your defense against a defamation suit would be truth, and truth is not on your side. Truth would have to be evidenced in the entire clip that you cut. You'd have to present the entire video in its full form. And that video would have to show that your label is correct, and you know it is not. So I'm urging you guys to blog, or whatever you call it, more responsibly. There are enough jokes about me too. And I'll give you some jokes about me. I really don't give a... I like to see people laughing. But when you get to the part where you start to normalize bullying, no, you can't bully me. And your followers can't bully me. But you can bully other people. And you can make other people's lives uncomfortable. You can get other people fired from them job. You can get me fired. But you can affect the lives of others negatively, and you guys often do. Stuff like this should not be taken lightly. And what you have done is wrong. Let's not get it twisted. What you have done is wrong by law. You have manipulated a video. You've manipulated statements. You cut and deliberately mislabeled statements which were very clear in their entirety. And by doing so, you misled a lot of people. And you set a precedent. It's already been done. But in each action, we set another precedent. Some of your followers have only been exposed to stuff like this for the first time. And you have put down a piece of electronic work which really has no expiry. It has no expiration. It have no expiry date. It can sit there forever. What you have created, because you created something, you did not share something. You created something new. which had an entirely different meaning from its origins, I urge you to go sit and check out the acts in our law pertaining to defamation. I have no problem with any of the jokes circulating. I love comedy. If they're funny, I like them too. If they're not funny, it's like, you're not funny. But when you're deliberately malicious, especially in a country of such, let me call it attedness, where you make people feel like them and me in a war, even though me and them not engaged at all, you have created a piece of work which has inspired aggression aimed towards me, which I sat and watched it run for days, so that there's a good enough accumulation of material out there, all aimed at me, aggressively, some even violently. And I do not have to prove harm. I only need to prove your action. And you have proven it for me. Go check out the acts in our law pertaining to defamation. And think about the label on your article. Think about it.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that shows of Tanya Stephens talking about a video that she had done, and she's saying that the video had been, manipulated. You get what I'm saying to you? But hear me now, viewers and subscribers, this is my opinion about this whole thing. So may I say to you, you see what Tanya Stephens had said in the video, that she said to have been manipulated, you see me? The things them that she had said, you see me? And it is said that she had disrespected the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is Mr. Andrew Holness. Now, in my point of view, it didn't sound as she exactly, specifically dissed the Prime Minister of Jamaica. But however, it sounds close. You see me? It just sounds close. You understand me? And I'm not defend me, I defend any one of viewers and subscribers, you see me? Because when it comes down to the whole disrespect thing, me is the kind of person, I support them things there, You understand me? But me just I tell you what I think, because if the intention is to disrespect someone out there or persons out there, so I say, me not gonna support that, because me not believe in disrespecting persons out there. You understand me? And here's the thing now to viewers and subscribers. You see me? I'm just only telling you what I think about this thing. You see me? I say, me just I tell you, say to me it just sounds close. And it's when it comes down to the whole manipulation of videos, and those videos, make certain persons look bad out there. You see me? More of a point it out to persons out there that it look bad. You get what I say to you? Yes, it look bad. You see what I say? Yeah, those insensitive ways of manipulating videos. You see what I say? In order to get, views or, little ratings on social media. You see me? And not really looking at how the video is going to affect a person or persons out there. So I say to you, yeah, insensitive. I want to make sure I tell persons out there that them need to really and truly look and think before them post a video out there about persons. Yes, so I say to you, yeah, if it's been done in a funny way like comedy or so forth, me understand that. But you see me, if you manipulate it to make a certain person look a certain way, you see me, I say, no, that no look right. And it depends on the kind of comedy that is being done to you. So I say to you, yeah, because some of these things that is said to be funny is not funny. To me, it is insensitive. You understand me? So basically, if you even say you're going to run a little joke about something what someone had done, you have to consider about the other person's feelings and if it is insensitive. You get what I say to you? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm just giving you my opinion about this whole thing. Yes, what I say to you. You can let me know what you think. If me wrong, you can let me know if me wrong, and if me right, you can let me know if me right. So I say to you. But anyways, I have some left with viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about these two topics that I just presented to you. Yes, I say to you. And you can let me know what you think about these videos that I just presented to you. Alright? Yeah. Alright. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Oh no, big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.